In this video, we'll show you the signs of a dying hard drive and how to check if it's okay. Now, your hard drive is like the brain of your computer. It stores all your precious data, from photos and videos to documents and games. But just like any other component, it can eventually fail. Common signs of a dying hard drive are slow performance. Suddenly, your computer feels sluggish, or frequent crashes and freezing or missing files or folders. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to back up your data immediately. Now, let's talk about how to check the health of your hard drive. For Windows users, open Command Prompt as administrator, type and press Enter. Restart your computer. This will allow the Disk Check utility to run. And for Mac users, open Disk Utility, select your hard drive, click on First Aid and then Run. Review the report for any issues or errors that were found and fixed. For a more detailed guide with screenshots, check out the accompanying article on our website.